Well, today I'm unboxing my latest haul for Bramble and Wholesale Supplies Plus. The exact suppliers I use for my shower steamers, my soaps, and my body butters. Let's see what's new and what I'm testing next. If you're new here, I'm Diane, the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender, where I teach you how to make natural skincare products, grow your handmade business, and show you the different tools that I use in operating my small handmade business here in Vermont. So this one right here is from Bramble. And so what I ordered here is some specialty scents. So this is a gingerbread cookie. I'll show you that one there. And I will smell them. I just didn't open it. This is a blueberry jam. And then this one here is wildflower honey. So I'm thinking like bath bombs for this one. This one here, I'm thinking bath bombs, and then gingerbread cookie, I'm thinking like sugar scrubs would be perfect. And then I always get my sodium hydroxide lye from them, and I like the flakes. And so I ordered quite a bit from them. I've ordered for many, many years, but they're the ones I always order this from. So I like the flake. I don't like the fine because I found when I first started soaping, making cold processed soaps, that the fine actually maybe because my environment was dry, it would like static cling, so it would kind of like go and cling to things, which I really didn't like. The flakes doesn't do that. I haven't had any issues, and I've been soaping for over like maybe 15 years. And then I get some molds here. This is a honey mold. Definitely I want to make some soaps with this because I have quite a few people that love the Vermont honey handmade soap, and it has rice bran oil and all sorts of other stuff in it, and has oat extract, so it's really good for dry skin. So I might make something like this, and then maybe some little bath bombs or something. I don't know, I'm just trying it out. But the first one is the gingerbread cookie fragrance oil. Definitely some honey, oatmeal cookie, holiday scent, definitely. Perfect for sugar scrubs, bath bombs, and things like that. Maybe some lotions. Or you'd have to see about room sprays, maybe. I don't know about that. And then this one here is wildflower honey. And this is a fragrance oil. Ooh, that's really nice. That's bright. That's a bright scent. This one here is more warming, I would say. This one's more light and bright and a little bit more floral. So I guess the wildflower honey. Definitely really nice. That's a light scent. I like that. That would be really nice for bath bombs. And then blueberry jam is the other one. Oh, wow. Wow. Definitely some blueberry scents there. Probably raspberry in there. Definitely vanilla, but yeah, it's really nice. It's very light, so I like that. Nice floral scent. And then these two here, I just wanted to show you. I did get these from Amazon. I'll leave the link for these down below. And this one here is a Christmas wish, and that's from Bulk Apothecary. And I have the link for all that down below. This one definitely has a cookie, home, holiday type scent. So warm, gingerbread, honey. It's hard to describe it. I'll put it on the screen. But it's definitely a strong one. So you want to use very little with this. This might be good for a shower steamer because it has a stronger scent. And then I really like this one. This one here is Christmas Spice. Yeah, it's very bright. Has a nice bright, like the pumpkin spice, but it doesn't smell like pumpkin spice. It smells like Christmas time, I guess. I don't know, I've smelled so many now. But it's definitely a bright, piney, a little bit of a piney scent. Cookies, like you're baking in the kitchen type with your nutmeg and cinnamon, and yeah, that's what it has in it. Nutmeg, cinnamon, a little bit of cloves, so that kind of bakery scent. It just smells beautiful. Makes me want some of those gingerbread cookies. So that's some of the scents, and I always look for the infra when I go to make my skincare products. My last one is Wholesale Supplies Plus. And if you've seen my maple shower steamer video, and also I have a link for the beginner's guide to making shower steamers. If you're new to making shower steamers, I have this recipe in that ebook, and it is the red maple leaf. And this is a really warming autumn scent. It's not really strong, but it's perfect for shower steamers. And I've sold out, and I've made actually some cold processed soaps. I'm sold out. So this is a very popular scent, especially during the fall season. So I would recommend, if you are making anything with this kind of scent, is the beginning of October and November. Even, so I guess the last quarter of the season. So when you're planning like next year when to make different products and things like that throughout the year, this is one that you definitely want to use if you're making the maple shower steamers. And you can also use essential oils to pair with it, or you can use essential oils. So I have that in a little bit of the like a clove cinnamon one in the ebook also. But it smells great. I'm a little bit smelled out on the scents. And then my next one here, I didn't open it, and I should have, but is a little, let me do that. And this one here, isn't it cute? It's little donuts. And I'm sure I can link something like this on my Amazon store because they have stuff like this. But I just like this. I want to use it for bubble bars. This would be perfect for bubble bars, to have something like this, and you put it on top of like a sugar scrub and like that. I don't know. I have a lot of different ideas I want to use for this, so you will see this in some upcoming videos. So let me know in the comments which supplier you would like me to review next. So the next video to watch is on bath treats. I'll see you later in the next video. Bye for now.